Exercise 7, translate into Latin. In this exercise, we also have this format, nominative, verb, accusative. And what you will be doing is using your root words. In either one of these two locations, you have two nouns in each of these sentences. And your endings will depend on whether it is singular or plural. Nominative, so we're definitely just working with nominative in this section, and then accusative. So am, as. The two verbs in this section are laudat, he, she, it praises, laudant, they praise, videt, he, she, it sees, vident, they see. So number 1, they praise Mary. We get our root word, Mary. Are we using Mary in the subject or in the direct object? It's direct object, accusative, right? Is it one Mary or is it more than one Marys? It's Mari. Now they praise, we know it's in here. So laudant Mariam. That would be the order in English, or the syntax in English. Laudant Mariam. But we know in Latin it is verb in the end. Mari they laudant. Mariam laudant. Okay. Number 2. The sailors see the province. The sailors see the province. So we know that the sailors, naut, is the subject. Is it singular or plural? It's plural. Now, die, and it's plural, this has to agree with this one. Vident. Now, die, vident. And then what's our direct object? Province. The root is provinci. Is it a singular province or is it a plural province? And it's singular. So the translation of the words are nautai, vident, provinciam. So you have your translation first. Now let's work on the ordering, which is the syntax. Right? We would then stick provinci next to the nominative, your nominative next to your accusative, and then your verb. So now your translation becomes nautai provinciam vident. And that's your answer. Number 3. The sailors praise glory. So we're keeping the same. Nautai, plural, this is our subject. Now instead of seeing, we're praising. Right? The sailors laudant. And what are they praising? Glory. Is it glory singular or glory plural? And the answer is glory singular. So the translation of the words become nautai laudant victoriam. Nautai laudant victoriam. Now step 2, we change the order or the syntax. You move the accusative over and your sentence becomes nautai victoriam laudant. Nautai victoriam laudant. Number 4. He sees the gate. He sees the gate. So your subject is he. It's in your verb. It's already built in. He, singular, videt. So your answer, videt, and he sees the gate or the door, port. Is it singular or plural? Singular. So the answer becomes videt portam. Videt portam. That's your translation answer. Now, your order answer, your syntax answer becomes portam videt. Portam videt. Okay? Number 5. The sailor does not praise the province. The sailor is your subject. The sailor, is it plural or singular? It's singular. We'll keep it up there. Nauta, what's your verb? Praise. But he doesn't praise. So non. Nauta non laudat. Right? And what is he not praising? The province. Is your province singular or plural? It's the province, so it's singular. Your translation answer. Nauta non laudat provinciam. Nauta non laudat provinciam. That's your translation answer. Part 2, the syntax or the order answer. You move your accusative over and your verb and precede it by your adverb. So now your answer is nauta provinciam non laudat. Nauta provinciam non laudat. Number 6. Number 6 is they praise the forest. They praise the forest. So they, remember, is built into your verb. So they is plural. They praise the forest. So your forest is silv. That's your root. And is it singular or plural? It's the forest. So it's singular. Your translation becomes laudant silvam. Laudant silvam. Now your syntax answer, so the order, you move it over. And now you have silvam laudant. Silvam laudant. They praise the forest. Okay? So your next one, he sees the sailors. He sees the sailors. Like your previous, he is built in. So your subject, it's singular. So videt. Singular, he. So videt. And what does he see? He sees the sailors. So he sees naut is your root. And is it one sailor or more? Sailors. Nautas. Right. So your answer becomes videt nautas. Videt nautas. That's your translation answer. Now your syntax or your order answer. You always stick the verb on the end here for these. Your answer is nautas. So let's see. He sees the sailor. Nautas videt. Nautas videt. Number 8. She praises the victory. She praises the victory. So she praises is also, your pronoun is in your verb. Praises. She is singular. So laudat. And the victory, is it single or many victories? No, she's saying victory. She praises the victory. Laudat victoriam. Laudat victoriam. That's your translation answer. And now your syntax or your order answer. Victoriam laudat. Victoriam laudat. Next one. Number 9. They see the gate. They see the gate. They. That's singular. That's plural. It's built in. So your nominative, your subject is they. We dent. And what are they seeing? The gate or the door. Port. Is it one door or many? It's a single door. The gate. Otherwise it'd be pass. So we dent. Portam. We dent. Portam. Your translation answer. Now your syntax answer. Your order answer. Portam. We dent. Portam. We dent. Number 10. Number 10 is Mary does not praise the sailors. Mary does not praise the sailors. So your subject is Mary. Is it? Mary. So Mary is singular. Maria. Maria. We have the adverb non. Non. Praise is laudat, right? But this always has to agree with nominative. So if this is singular, this will be singular. Maria non laudat. Ooh, the sailors. And that's plural. So that's singular, that's plural. Your translation answer of the words become Maria non laudat nautas. Maria non laudat nautas. Now your syntax order. You move the nominative and the accusative together. So non, naut, and then scoot that over. So that's your order. Maria nautas non laudat. Again, Maria nautas non laudat. And last one. The sailors see